I heard somebody was ready to make a wig. Well, let's go. This is Wig Making 101. I'm gonna show you what materials you will need to be able to make your first wig. All the items that I'm using is for hand sewn wigs, all right? Firstly, what you will need is a wig canvas or a wig head and a stable wig stand. What I use is this here. They come in different sizes. I go according to my head shape. This is a 22. I am a 21. I also have 21s and 20s and 23s for those of my customers who need a bigger size or a smaller size. You can also use styrofoam head as a beginner. It is cheap. Like I got it for like $4 at the hair store, and this works just fine, but you will have to hold it in your lap. Next, you need a dome cap. Now, mind you, these dome caps, they do come, I like to use the mesh ones. Everybody has their preference. If you go on Amazon, you can find them all kind of ways. I like to use the mesh ones because it's breathable and it basically will just go onto the head like this. Then you will need some measuring tape because you will have to map out where you're gonna put your tracks and where you're gonna put your closure or your frontal. And I use a Sharpie marker in silver because it shows up on top of the black. Or when I was beginning, I used to use a white crayon, and it does a trick too. If you have some stuff around the house and you don't want to go out and buy anything, use a white marker, but Sharpie works really good, okay? Remember that. Next, you will need your needle and thread. I like to use the curved needle because when you're weaving it through, it doesn't poke on the head. Of course, you cannot do a wig without hair. Depending on how thick you want your wig to be, you have to have between 2 to maybe 5 bundles. Also, you need a closure or a frontal. I hope I covered all the materials that you will need for this course. If I forgot anything, please charge it to my head, not my heart, okay? Make sure to like, comment, and share this with somebody who also wants to learn how to make a wig. And make sure you're following me, of course. Love ya.